Ever seen something in your kitchen that totally bends reality? I found 5 home and kitchen gadgets that are visually insane. And trust me, number 1 will blow your mind. It makes water do something you've never seen before. Stick around to see all 5, because these aren't just ordinary gadgets. Let's jump straight into number 5. Kicking off at number 5, look how instantly that lid snaps open. This slim sensor bin slides neatly into narrow spaces beside your sink. Wave your hand, and the lid lifts smoothly. Keep your hand nearby, and it stays open, then quietly closes once you step away. The minimal body and subtle accent colors give it a clean, modern presence that blends easily into different spaces. The sharp rectangular shape adds that futuristic, design-focused look on the floor. You may catch yourself triggering it again just to watch it move. Number 4. Look at this rotating cooking pot slowly spinning on its own. This drum-style rotating cooking pot sits directly on your stove and continuously rolls while you cook. The transparent lid lets you watch the ingredients move inside, creating a dynamic, almost machine-like cooking visual. As heat builds, the steady rolling motion keeps everything tumbling while light steam releases from the top. There's something hypnotic about the constant motion. Instead of a static pan, this rotating cooking pot creates a rhythmic rolling effect that feels unusual, mechanical, and visually satisfying to watch during cooking. Cooking suddenly looks less routine and way more interesting. Number 3. Look at this. Levitating moon lamp floating quietly in midair. The moon sphere hovers above a dark wood-style base, while slowly rotating on its own. Its crater-filled surface adds rich texture that catches the light from every angle. As it spins, you can shift the glow between cool white, warm white, and a soft golden tone, creating a changing atmosphere without any visible wires connected to the sphere. It's the kind of piece you glance at once and keep watching. Number 2, look at the liquid tornado spinning inside this mug. This two-tone tumbler comes in cool gray or rich coffee brown. Tap the button on the handle, and a tiny magnetic capsule at the stainless steel base instantly springs to life. It races around the bottom, creating a deep swirling vortex that pulls your drink into a smooth circular motion. When you're done, the capsule detaches and snaps neatly into the lid. It's less like stirring a drink, more like activating a tiny cyclone. Number 1, look at these water drops, flowing completely backwards. Designed like a smooth clamshell, it creates an optical illusion where crystal droplets appear to rise instead of fall. As the droplets loop upward, a soft stream of mist releases from the top. Inside, shifting rainbow gradients glow through the shell, or you can switch to a single calm color. Hidden within the body, a built-in speaker lets sound flow alongside the visuals. It quietly steals the spotlight. So, which of these gadgets completely blew your mind? Drop your favorite in the comments. I want to know.